In this video, we'll be replacing the CyberPower 1500AVR battery. This video is brought to you by RaionGroup.com. You'll want to power down the UPS unit by holding the power button. Next, you'll want to remove the plug from the outlet. On the bottom of the UPS unit, you'll find a small screw that's holding on the front plate. Using a screwdriver, you'll want to remove this screw and set it aside for later. Once the screw has been removed, you can slide the front plate off, which will reveal the battery pack inside. Next, you'll want to disconnect the cables. You can simply pull on them and they'll disconnect from each other. Next, you'll want to remove the battery from the UPS unit. You can simply slide it out. We are using a Raion powered replacement battery pack for this CyberPower 1500AVR unit. We have left a link in the description below if you want to go ahead and order this exact replacement kit. So once you've gotten the old battery kit out, you're going to want to take your new battery kit and slide it back into the UPS unit. You will want to connect the red wire from the UPS unit to the red wire on the battery kit, and the black wire from the UPS unit to the black wire from the battery kit. Once you have successfully installed the battery into the UPS unit, you'll want to take the front plate and slide it back into place. And you will need to reinstall the screw at the bottom of the cover plate. Next, you'll want to connect your UPS unit to an outlet. Next, you'll want to power on the UPS unit. We recommend that you leave your UPS unit idle and connect it to a power source to charge your batteries overnight. As you can see, we're toggling through the display on this unit and the battery capacity is going to show at 100%. Thank you again for watching this video, and make sure to like and subscribe to Raion Group.